If you are experiencing problems with your volume mixer in Windows 11, there are a few straightforward solutions that can help resolve the issue. First, we can utilize the built-in audio troubleshooter. To do this, right-click on your Start button and then select Settings from the menu that appears. Once in Settings, navigate to the System tab. Scroll down on the right side of the window and click on Troubleshoot. Then select Other Troubleshooters. You will see a list of troubleshooters. Find the audio troubleshooter and click on the Run button next to it. Another effective method is to restart the audio service. To do this, open the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on the Services application to open it. In the Services window, scroll down the list until you find the Windows Audio Service. This list is helpfully sorted alphabetically, making it easier to locate. Once you find it, right-click on the Windows Audio Service and select Restart from the context menu. Finally, ensure that your audio drivers are up to date, as this often resolves audio-related problems. Again, use the Windows search bar and type Device Manager. Open the Device Manager application. Expand the Audio Inputs and Outputs section by clicking on it. Then, right-click on your audio device and select the option to update the driver. Follow the prompts to install any available updates. Hope this was helpful? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.